Let's look at this. This one, a little trickish. But if you pay attention, allow me to break it down. You will understand it. Not only understand it, any question that comes like Amwemba, you will be able to follow the question anywhere it goes to. Okay? Express cos 2a and sin A, sin 2a in terms of cos A. These are different questions. There is and. It means, first of all, we should deal with this. Okay? Once we deal with this, we come back and also deal with this in terms of cos A. Remember what you are looking for? You have cos A. It could be also cos A squared. Remember, this and this are the same. Cos square A, they are the same. So this and this are the same. So what we are looking for is to have cos A. That is, we should take cos 2a and express it in this form. What is cos 2a? Cos 2a also means cos A plus A. Is this not a compound angle that I just explained in the previous video? The formula. What is the formula says? The formula says that if it involves cosine, normally it should be a sharing between cosine and sine. But when it comes to cosine, cosine starts displays its bad character or be stingy. What will happen now, just as I explained earlier, this cosine will take cos A and also take cos A. Take this and take this. If it was sine, sine will take, cosine will take. Then the other one, cosine take, sine take. But when it involves cosine, cosine, then sine. So this side will be sine A, sine A. But this sign need to change because we are dealing with a bad guy with bad character, which is what? Which is cosine. I have to put minus here. Opposite of plus. Now, what is the meaning of this? This simply means cos A squared minus sine A squared. That is the meaning. Which you can write as cos square A sine square A. Remember, the question says everything on the right hand side. We only want to see cos A. This is carrying sine. Sine need to leave because this question did not say we should involve sine in this matter. So the next thing, how do we remove this? Sine square A. Oh, remember, there is a formula that says, you remember? So I can now say sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So it means, therefore, I will come here now to say cos square A minus, I will use this to replace this. That is 1 minus cos square A. Then I remove all these guys. Okay? Now that I've removed these guys, I continue. Cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. Okay? This and this are the same. That is 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay? So, finally, this that was this, I can put it back again to say cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. You are saying, the question says cos A. Why are you leaving it in square? No. What you are looking for is that it should carry cos A. And this is cos A. It's just that what? There's 2 at the top, which you are writing as cos square A. We are good to go. Now, that is one leg of the question. The next one says sine A, sine 2A. That is sine A sine 2A should be expressed in form of cos A. No problem. The first thing I'm seeing here is that compact angle. We don't want compact angle. When it comes to trigonometry, it's like when you are dealing with surd. We don't want surd at denominator. The same thing, when you see compact angle, the first thing is that try as much as possible to remove it from compound. Therefore, I can say this is equal to sine A sine A. Okay, let me just not put this here. Okay, sine A plus A. You agree? That is the meaning of this. So this is sine A. What is this now? Sine A sine A. That is sine the good guy sharing with cosine. Meaning sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. Remember? Which we can write as sine A. This simply means sine A cos A. You can write this as sine A also cos A. Because it doesn't matter the y you write first. I just want this side to resemble this side. So that when I add them together, you will not have any question to ask me. So therefore, sine A, this and this are 2 in number. That is 2 sine A cos A. Get it? If you work this out, I'm going to have 2 sine A cos A. Okay? What is this all about? It means 2 sine square A cos A. Now, we were told to leave our answer in form of cos A, but this guy need to leave. What is this guy again? You remember it again. Sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Now sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. Therefore, we need to plug this in place of this to say this is equal to 1 minus cos square A cos A. Okay? We are putting this in place of this because we derive this now from this equation. Don't forget this equation. They are very important. Then we expand this to have 2 minus 2 cos square A cos A. Then we continue 2 cos A minus 2 cos A cos square A. Okay? What is the meaning of this? It simply means A multiplied by A squared, which is A raised to the power 3. That is the way I look at it. It means cos A 2 cos A raised to the power 3. Okay? So you might decide to leave it like this or like this. But one thing you should know is that long time ago, we already have our answer. All this one I'm doing here is over sabi. Okay? You are still correct anyway, just to show that what we know what we are doing. Because if at the end of the day I want to simplify, I will still say 2 cos A 1 minus cos square A. Which is the same thing with this. This one is just to carry this close to this guy. There's no difference. So whether you write it like this or like this or even like this or like this, you are still correct. What we want to see is that as far as the right hand side is cosine, it's only cos A. This is cos A. This is cos A. It just is cos A squared. And it's still cos A. Okay? All this is understood. Thank you for viewing.